What is matter? Anything that occupies space and has mass is a matter. Consequence of matter. They are the Panchatattva: air, water, earth, sky, and fire. The physical nature of matter. Are the matters particulate? Yes. The matter consists of tiny particles, as the microscopic image of the cube is shown above. Example, if you put a red color in water, the water becomes red. How small are these particles? They are very small and they can be further broken down. As you see, the color of the particles are getting diminished. They keep on dividing. Are this sandwich, thought, juice, eraser and all matter? No, they don't occupy space. Now we'll see characteristics particles of a matter. Matter have space between them. Matter, all the particles move around and particles attract each other. Now let us see particles of a matter have space between them or not. This can be illustrated by an activity which was given to you, the very first activity. Now we'll see the particles are continuously moving. As the particles move, they possess the kinetic energy due to the motion. They mix on their own with the other particles. Example, salt in water. And you can see diffusion, the process of mixing two different types of particles together. And it farts up on heating. Particles of a matter attract each other. They are always held together because of force of attraction between them. It differs in the different states of matter we'll be discussing now. States of matter. According to the force of attraction between the particles, the matter can be divided into solid, liquid and gaseous state. The solid state, they have a specific shape, distinct boundaries and have a definite volume. They possess kinetic energy among the particles of solids are extreme. They cannot be compressed. The force of attraction among the particles also maximum. Is rubber band, sponge and salt solids? Yes, all of them are solids. A rubber band or a sponge can change the shape only when an external force is applied on them. Salt take up the shape of the container in which you put, but the grains have their own shape. Now we'll say liquid state. Liquid have a fixed volume, liquid do not have a fixed shape. Force of attraction is less than the solid and they can diffuse into liquids, solid into liquid, liquid into liquid and gaseous into liquid. The gaseous state. They do not have a fixed volume, they do not have a fixed shape. And the force of attraction is least. Space among them is maximum. They can be compressed unlike solid and liquids. The kinetic energy will be maximum as they can move very fastly because of the intercellular spaces. Now you can see a tabular column stating the difference between the characteristics of solid, liquid and gas. It will be further discussed on. One more thing to state to you. Can matter change its state? Yes, water exists in three states: ice to solid, water to liquid, water vapor to gaseous state. Effect of change of temperature we will be taking up in the next class. Thanks. Note down the points in your notebook. Watch the recap.